In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add visitor count in WordPress website. In order to do that, first head over to wordpress.com and then proceed to log in or create an account by clicking onto this Get Started option. Click on this right here or right here. If you already have an account, just proceed to log in into this part. Now, once you have done that, you will be redirected right here into your actual home page. Now, into this part, just scroll down onto your left sidebar. Do take note that you need the business account for this. Scroll down. Head over to the plugins and click onto this Add Plugin option. This will open your plugin marketplace into the WordPress. So onto this part, just click onto the search bar and search in here for visitor counter. So let's input that right here and search. Now in here, you can see that we have our live visitor counter, we have web visitor counter, simple visitor counter. So in this part, just choose in here which one you would like to actually install into your actual settings. So for this case, let's head over and then just choose in here this live visitor counter. And from in there, proceed to actually activate it. So click onto this install and activate. Now this will set it up. Now as you can see, it's already been added. So you can head over right here into your plugins and you can actually manage that. So if you want to add it on your actual website, you can head over right here to your actual dashboard or your homepage and then edit that particular plugin from there. Into this part, proceed to click on this plus icon in order to add a widget, and then scroll down and then locate in here the widgets for our actual option. So in here, you can just click onto this option right here for the visitor page, and then just drag and drop it right here in order to add that widget from there. And you should be able to see in here now our actual live visitor counter. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.